Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd?
Today, I want to introduce the different types of cookie packaging. First, it is the flexible pouches. Its benefits are as follows: customizable designs, lightweight, and strong barrier protection against moisture. However, it has limited eco-friendliness compared to paper options. Second, cardboard boxes suit gift sets or premium cookies. They stack easily and often use recycled materials. Third, classic tins offer reusable storage and nostalgic charm, often used for holidays or speciality cookies. Fourth, transparent jars showcase artisanal cookies and work well for kitchen storage. Last, compostable bags or plant-based films cater to environmentally aware customers. For more questions, please feel free to contact me.
We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.